This video will guide you through installing Laser's fog light upgrade kit for the Mercedes Sprinter. We'll cover preparing the bumper, fitting the Carbon-2 drive lights, setting up Canny, and ensuring everything functions as intended. The tools and consumables required for this install are on screen now, and this install should take roughly 3.5 hours to complete. Before starting, disconnect the negative terminal on the vehicle's battery. Identify the correct cutting guide for each side of the bumper. Tape the template securely in place, then use a marker to trace the inner opening of the guide. Using a multi-tool, carefully cut along the line you've drawn. Test fit the light pod through the hole to confirm it fits. Then repeat the process on the opposite side. Once both cuts are complete, use a file to clean up any rough edges. Next, mount the relay from the supplied harness in the engine bay. Cut the fuse holder off the harness and keep it safe. Remove the 25 amp fuse. Attach the additional red wire provided in the kit to the fuse holder using the supplied crimp. Heat shrink the connection and wrap the wire with loom tape. Now connect the fuse holder to the battery. Run the wire out to the engine bay, following as much of the original wiring as possible. Connect it to the relay power lead. Pass the lamp connectors from the relay down through the bumper. Pass the right-hand wire across the front of the vehicle, securing it as you go, and plug in both lamps. Place the lamp pod into the bumper, making sure the lamps are level with the ground. Drill 3mm pilot holes at the top and bottom center positions, then secure the pod with supplied T25 screws. Repeat for the other 6 holes, being careful not to over-tighten as the bumper is a soft plastic. Repeat the process on the other side. In this installation, we're also connecting Canny. The ground wires for the relay and Canny are connected to the jump start negative post in the engine bay. We have used Canny on this vehicle due to the factory installed LED headlights. It also enables the lights to be controlled by the high beam stalk and avoid running additional switch wiring to the dashboard through the use of smart buttons. Additional wiring instructions for vehicles with halogen headlights or pre-installed fog lamps are available on our website. Connect Canny to the left-hand headlight CAN wires. In our case, we have used a contactless reader. From the relay loom, connect the purple, grey and yellow wires to the Canny outputs. Connect Canny to the harness and find a suitable place to mount the device. Reinsert the fuse into the holder and reconnect the vehicle battery. Open the Canny app and load the Mercedes Sprinter 2018 vehicle configuration. Set the outputs as follows: Channel 1 manual, Channel 3 ignition and Channel 4 high beam. Place the smart button in a suitable location inside the cab and configure it through the app. Once configuration is complete, test all functions on the fog light to ensure everything is working correctly. Reassemble the vehicle and the installation is finished. That completes the installation of your Mercedes Sprinter fog light kit. If you have any questions about this kit or our products, please contact our team through the details on our website. We'd be very happy to help.